Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Visual Studio Edition and version so you know which UI options are available. Once confirmed, open Tools and choose Customize, or go to View and check Toolbars. You want to locate the search box or command window control in the interface list. Drag it to a visible toolbar. This gives immediate access and avoids unnecessary extensions. Make sure to save your window layout so the control persists across sessions. Now you add the actual search control and configure it. Open Customize and switch to Commands, then pick the toolbar where you want the search. Choose the Edit or Tools category and add the Find/Search or Command window item. Once placed, right-click the toolbar item to set width and visibility and assign a keyboard shortcut for quick access. Because it ties into the IDE search service, configuring scope and shortcuts makes searching finish by testing. Search in the solution, current file, and symbol index to verify the bar works as expected. If the control disappears, reset the window layout from Window Reset Window Layout, then re-add the control. This fixes most layout corruption problems. If searches return no results, disable extensions that override search or rebuild your solution index. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Visual Studio after changes to ensure new shortcuts and toolbar items register correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.